So when we're looking at a loan, the loan must be a consumer loan. And I'm going to make this very clear because I don't want any businesses calling me tomorrow and indicating to me they have a loan and they think that it has unfair contract terms. So the kind of contracts that we're looking at are strictly consumer contracts. And a consumer contract is one where a consumer, which is an ordinary person, is acquiring the particular loan or the particular item for their own personal or private use. So if you are going to acquire this loan to purchase something for your business, or if you're acquiring it to start a business, it is not a consumer contract and it does not apply to you. So there are certain things that we would advise you that we would be looking for. So the first thing is the item, the loan must not be for the business as I would have said before, and it must be in a standard form. So essentially what happens is that, when you go in to get a loan, you would find it typically in a take it or leave it fashion. So the loan is prepared in advance and you just are presented with these documents, which you would then read obviously and then you sign. So those are the types of things that we will be talking about. But when you have those terms and conditions, they must be written in plain, intelligible language. And even though I'm a lawyer by training, I would say we don't want to see any legalese in those contracts at all. Because the ordinary consumer is supposed to be able to read the terms and conditions, and they must be able to understand exactly what is included in the fine print. And when I speak about fine print, I'm just talking about the writing. We don't want to have any fine print at all, because if it is drafted in really small print and you really can't see exactly what is written there and you sign your signature to it, that would be something that we would have a problem with as well. So those are some of the things that we would be looking for. We will also be looking for contract terms, and we want to make sure that there's a balance between the two. So if you have a clause in your contract, we want to make sure that the clause is balanced for the consumer. If that clause poses a significant detriment to the consumer, then we would look at it and review it, and chances are that may be an unfair contract term.